Hi there. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. My name is Austin Lawrence. I am your mountain biking MLO. I am going to be introducing, and this is a brief introduction, to the Home Ready, Home Possible programs, which are Fannie Freddie backed programs, and they're 3% down. One of the things that's super important for you to realize when you're doing these particular programs is there is a qualification aspect to it, which is called the AMI. You need to be at 80% of the AMI. Let me give you an example of that. Say in Stanislaus County, the AMI is at about 139,800. 80% would be 111,840. So you need to be at that income or below in order to qualify for Home Ready, Home Possible. Here's the good news. There is another program that allows you, if you have increased income, to still take advantage of this 3% down, which is the Home One. So beyond that, Home Ready, Home Possible are a 3% down payment, very competitive rates, a little bit higher than FHA, VA. But here's the other good news. Since you're 97% LTV going into the house, once you hit that 80% LTV mark, meaning that you have some equity in the property, you can have your mortgage insurance removed. And you are going to have a mortgage insurance charge if you're not putting 20% down. So just FYI on that. The other thing that you need to know is these are not always first-time home buyers, but that's what the design is for. And you can get gifts funds, or excuse me, gift funds. So they are focused on low-income borrowers, first-time repeat home buyers, and limited cash down payments. 620 credit score would sometimes get you into this program, depending on other factors, but really we want to see it about 660. At 680, that's when we start to see an improvement in the rates for these particular programs. Otherwise, they work definitely quite well for purchases in California. So definitely recommend you looking at this option. Reach out to me. I'd love to go over how you would fit into this or how you could utilize this particular type of program. Otherwise, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Again, my name is Austin Lawrence. I'm your mountain biking MLO, and I will see you on the trail.